how to set a ringtone for a specific contact on iPhone. So if you want to set a ringtone for a specific contact on your iPhone, then what you need to do is open up your phone application, and then you need to go with the contacts, which will be on the bottom middle, go with the plus, which will be on the top, and create a new contact, or just simply go with an existing contact for whom you would like to set a specific ringtone, and then you need to go with edit, which will be on the top. Now scroll down a bit, and here you will find an option of ringtone. You need to tap on the ringtone and tap on it where it says default. Now here you need to go and select the default option again, which will be on the right side, or just simply scroll down, and here you will have a lot of other ringtones as well. You need to just simply go and select any ringtone that you're comfortable with, and then go with the tick, which will be on the top. And in this way, you'll be able to set different ringtone or a specific ringtone for a specific contact on your iPhone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.